Is your Maytag washer stopping unexpectedly during the wash cycle? This is often due to issues with the actuator, sensing systems, or the need for a simple reset. Let's break down the most common causes. First, actuator failure. This gear shift mechanism can fail, causing the washer to stop mid-cycle. Next, faulty sensors, water level or load sensors can malfunction, triggering a safety stop. Finally, a simple reset can solve the problem. Unplugging or using a reset button clears temporary glitches. Each of these issues can cause the system to stop mid-cycle as a safety measure. The shift actuator is an electromechanical device that controls your washer's gear shifting. It switches between agitation, spin, and drain modes, especially in front-load models. This dissected view shows the actuator's internal components: a motor, gearbox, and lead screw that work together to control the movement. Common failures include debris buildup around the actuator or electrical shorts in the wiring. Look for error codes like F5E or F7E on your washer's display. These often point to actuator issues. The actuator detects if the load is balanced inside the drum. An imbalanced load triggers a safety stop to prevent damage. To troubleshoot, first check for F5E or F7E error codes. Then, clean any debris around the actuator area to prevent buildup. Your washer uses sensors to monitor water levels, load balance, and door lid closure. A faulty water level sensor can trigger false positives for overflows or imbalances, stopping the cycle. Sensors rely on analog signals converted to digital data. Inaccuracies disrupt the programmed cycle. Clogs or faulty wiring are common culprits. Ensure the sensors are free from debris and properly connected. A reset clears temporary glitches in your Maytag washer. For Maytag, this typically involves unplugging the washer for 5 to 10 minutes to reboot the control board. Some newer models have a dedicated reset button on the control panel. Resets initialize the board's firmware, which runs on embedded microcontrollers. However, resets are ineffective if hardware faults persist, indicating deeper issues like board corrosion or actuator failure. If a reset doesn't work, move on to checking sensors or the actuator. First, try resetting your washer by unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes. If the problem persists, check for error codes on the display panel. These codes provide valuable clues about the underlying issue. Inspect the actuator for any visible damage or debris. Ensure all sensors are clean and properly connected. If you're comfortable, use a multimeter to check voltage levels. Always consult your owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps related to your model. Maytag has released firmware updates for its smart washer series with Wi-Fi connectivity, like the MHW8630HW model. These updates specifically target intermittent stopping issues during the wash cycle. The updates improve actuator calibration and sensing accuracy, reducing false stops by up to 40% based on user reports. To get these updates, check your Maytag app for available firmware updates and install them over the air. This requires no physical intervention, just a Wi-Fi connection. These updates are released periodically, so check regularly for the latest improvements. If you've tried resetting your washer, checking sensors, and applying firmware updates, yet the machine still stops mid-cycle, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. Complex issues like actuator replacements, control board repairs, and intricate wiring problems require professional expertise. Attempting these repairs yourself could void your warranty or cause additional damage. Professional technicians bring specialized diagnostic equipment to accurately identify and fix the underlying problems. Appliance repair is shifting towards digital integration and smart technology. Newer Maytag washers feature AI-assisted diagnostics through mobile apps, enabling remote troubleshooting. By 2030, expect fully autonomous repair features where washers self-diagnose issues and order replacement parts via IoT. Predictive maintenance using machine learning can detect potential actuator failures early, preventing breakdowns. This flowchart illustrates the maintenance and alarm process for smart washers, from initialization to error reporting. Stay informed about these advancements to keep your washer running smoothly and reduce repair needs.